Let me tell you about a chatbot scenario, and this isn't a hypothetical one, it's a real one, built by a real support team, doing a job that thousands of teams like it are trying to figure out right now. This chatbot handles two kinds of requests. The first one is simple. Someone forgot their password, and every single time the fix follows the same 4 steps. Confirm the person's identity, send a one-time code, verify that code, and then reset the password. It's a checklist and it never changes. The second request looks similar on the surface, but it is not the same at all. Someone says the integration stopped working, and that sounds simple, but it really isn't. Because it could be an expired API key, it could be a code deployment that quietly broke something 3 days ago, it could be a third party service having a bad afternoon, and this happens more than you'd think. It could be the customer changing a setting themselves and forgetting they did it. There is no checklist for this one. You don't know what's wrong until you start digging, and every case teaches you what to check next. Now, here's what this team did, and I want you to really picture this, because I think a lot of us are doing exactly the same thing. They took both of these problems and handed them to the same AI agent, with one brain and one approach, telling it to just figure things out for everything that comes in. And here's what happened. For the password resets, the ones with the fixed 4-step no exceptions process, and it would sometimes skip the OTP verification step and just reset the password anyway. So here's the question I want to leave you with. What's the best way to fix this design? And here's where you get to choose. You can take the next 60 seconds right now and think it through in your head. Or you can pause the video and actually work it out on paper, which I genuinely recommend if you have the time. And if you'd rather not wait, you can simply skip ahead or fast forward past the next 60 seconds and go straight into the root cause discussion for this scenario. Either way, when you're ready, let's get into what's really going on here.